With a dental sleep medicine targeted ad strategy, it's really important that your ad creative have the right content. There's lots of choices out there. There's image ads, there's video ads, there's carousel ads, there's all kinds of stuff. Awareness campaigns, conversion campaigns. I want to focus on the content right now. Video is going to be your best friend. Why? Think about all the video competition that Facebook and Instagram has. Now remember, Facebook and Instagram have the largest number of our target demographic that are being affected by sleep disordered breathing. So Facebook and Instagram, that's another video, best place to advertise for that. But you want to do video because you're going to get the most eyeballs, because Facebook is trying to compete with Instagram Reels, they're trying to compete with YouTube Shorts, they're trying to compete with TikTok. Facebook gives a lot of eyeballs for the same ad budget on video as possible. Best way to do video? Cell phone video, because you don't want a high production value ad, because people are programmed to see high production value as an advertisement. So really important, shoot that video with a cell phone and you're gonna get a lot more people converting on your advertising.